If your IT maintenance plan is wait until something breaks, you do not really have a maintenance plan. You have a reaction plan. And by the time users are locked out, systems are slow, backups fail, or hardware goes down, the cost is usually higher than it needed to be. In this video, we'll walk through how often businesses should perform IT maintenance, what should happen daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually, and why a proactive schedule reduces downtime. IT maintenance frequency matters because performance, security, hardware health, backups, and software stability all change over time. Servers, storage systems, network devices, workstations, software platforms, and security tools do not stay healthy by accident. Updates get released, logs fill up, hardware ages, backups need verification, vulnerabilities appear, and capacity changes. A maintenance schedule gives your team a way to catch issues before they become outages. Maven's preventive maintenance guidance focuses on detecting and resolving possible failures before they interrupt operations. Daily maintenance is about visibility and monitoring, not rebuilding systems every day. Daily checks should include system monitoring alerts, backup completion status, security alerts, and disk usage warnings. Also check CPU and memory spikes, failed login attempts, critical service availability, and network connectivity issues each day. Daily maintenance means knowing if a backup failed last night today, not during a recovery event. Monitoring platforms, remote management tools, and alert dashboards help automate daily visibility. Weekly maintenance should look for patterns and recurring issues, rather than one-off alerts. Weekly tasks include reviewing recurring alerts, endpoint health, server and storage performance, and backup trends. Also review failed jobs, ticket patterns, clean temporary files where appropriate, and verify critical services weekly. A weekly review helps you spot when the same server throwing warnings every week is a real signal, not noise. Monthly maintenance is where planned patching, security reviews, and structured reporting should happen. Monthly tasks include operating system and application updates, security patch review, firmware planning, and limited backup restore testing. Vulnerability scans and maintenance reports that review uptime, incidents, and recurring issues should also be done monthly. Updates should be tested and scheduled during maintenance windows, especially for production systems. Quarterly maintenance looks at the bigger picture with capacity planning, storage utilization, and hardware health reviews. Quarterly tasks include network performance review, hardware lifecycle checks, vendor contract reviews, and disaster recovery validation. Annual maintenance and lifecycle planning should map asset replacement, major upgrades, and budget alignment. Annual reviews are the time to consolidate lessons from daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly checks into a strategic roadmap. Documenting maintenance outcomes, change notes, and incident follow-ups helps improve processes and accountability. Proactive maintenance reduces emergency repairs, lowers overall costs, and makes infrastructure easier to manage. Start by defining daily monitoring, scheduling weekly health checks, planning monthly patch windows, doing quarterly reviews, and completing annual lifecycle planning. If you need help implementing a maintenance schedule, Maven IT Solutions can provide preventive maintenance, third-party support, and lifecycle guidance. The payoff is fewer outages, faster recovery, improved security, and predictable budgeting for critical infrastructure. Don't wait until something breaks. Implement a layered maintenance schedule and keep your systems healthy and reliable. Thanks for watching, and contact Maven IT Solutions to build a proactive maintenance plan tailored to your infrastructure.